What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mission for Fishing episode. Today we're gonna go fish another pond and see if we can catch some fish. I ain't been in this pond in a long time, so hopefully the bite will be good. I'm almost there now, so we're gonna pick up the camera and see what we can catch. Stay tuned. Make our first cast out here. It has been a while. Ooh, I don't know. Oh gosh. Okay. Woo. Maybe this dock ain't sturdy as it used to be. Oh gosh. Oh, that was yeah, that was scary. Now, let's see if we can catch some fish. Really want to get on the boat. That's the best. That would be the best thing. Get on the boat. But I don't know if I want to today. Not by myself. So used to having somebody with me. It's weird being out here alone. I just came down here a minute ago as I was walking down past came up on some deer. They ran away. There were some big old deer. See if I can make anything happen from the dock. And watch my step, obviously. That step there is I think on its last leg. But we're gonna keep casting. Oh, there's a hit right there, guys. I was about to turn the camera off. Got it. Oh, no. Oh, there's a bass right there. I don't know if you've seen that. There's one just hit out there. Well, he came off and oh my gosh. Look at that. Took my whole Cinco. I set the hook in that thing and it didn't hardly move. Oh God, wasp. Hate nature. I don't hate nature, but hate bees and wasps. I'm allergic to wasps, so I guess I need to be careful. This dock don't feel too sturdy anymore. And I'm a big boy. Oh God. Dang, bees. Y'all are probably laughing at me like, this guy, you don't understand. I'm petrified. I don't know what I'm more scared of, bees or snakes. Probably both. But I'm allergic to bees. And highly allergic to red wasp. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to put on the Cinco. We're going to throw back out there and I will pick you guys back up when I catch something, hopefully. Had a bite. Please tell me he's still on there. Yeah, he is. Let him hit it one more time. There we go. Oh, don't you go in that grass. Come here. Oh, gosh. Whew, you just made my day 30 times better, though, dude. Thank you so much. Needed that. These bass out here are always beautiful. I feel like I say that every pond, but bass are so pretty. Nice little fish. Let them go. All right. Well, we got the skunk out the bag. And that's every fisherman's goal is to not skunk out. I surely thought I would after I missed that first fish. I know if I just stay here, keep trying, throwing, I should be able to hopefully catch a few. I've caught plenty of fish just standing on this dock, and the wind's pushing that duckweed this way, so fish might move with it. They like to be under it because it shades them. And I'm here at a weird time. It's like, I think it's like lunchtime right now. But yeah, going good. Happy to be here. I'm so happy that video I filmed the other day, which was Saturday, today's Sunday, it like got a good bit of views overnight. I didn't expect that, so it just kind of inspired me to come back out here and do some more fishing today. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys heard that. Sound like a cannon. Anyway, guys, thanks for all the support on the video. I'm back out here, I'm trying, but hey, it is such a beautiful day. I had to get out here and just enjoy this today, this weather. So I'm gonna get back to fishing. I ain't gonna talk you guys to death. We'll get back to fishing and hopefully catch some more. All right, guys. Been hearing way too much stuff. I hate the fact of being out here alone. I don't know what I heard in the bushes or whatever it was. Got the GoPro recording just in case. I'm gonna call it a day. Next time I come, bring somebody with me. Bring my gun, just in case. So, yeah, sorry about this video being the way it is. Ignore my heart breathing. I'm walking real fast. Got my knife, that's all I got for protection. So, yeah. Sorry, guys. I promise I'll be back. Fish were biting everywhere, but it's just, you have to understand, there's a lot of animals out here. Hogs, wild deer. It's scary by yourself. Hope you guys understand. Just don't feel comfortable. Not gonna get hurt just to make a video. But almost to my truck. I'm safe. Still had a good time no matter what.